All right, remove the knob from your joystick. I think that almost went in a bucket. Remove the parts from the handle provided in the kit. The button head bolt is used to secure the back of the handle and also prevent the bottom of the switch from touching the top of the joystick. Do not install the back side of the handle at this point. However, insert the button head bolt into the handle and screw it all the way, but do not tighten. Place the WR long handle over the joystick. Is this yours? Yeah, it was usually on the bumper. When you're setting a track, you can help use it to keep yourself nice and level. Run the black cable with the 3 wires from the W-long valve up to through the slot in the side of the handle and pull the wires. Connect the green wire to the top, yellow wire to the middle, and the blue wire to the bottom terminal. Attach with a small tie wrap where the cable enters the inside of the handle to help prevent the cable from being pulled out. Connect the red wire in the black cover from the valve to a hot wire on the tractor using the 10 amp inline fuse provided in the kit. Alrighty, looks like we gotta mount this up first. Make our life easier.
No heat, no blue heat for getting the for you, okay?
Right, thank you.
Thank you.
17. We're going super tight. Use it or lose it. That going there. Easy. Now there are a couple wires coming off of this valve. Probably difficult to see, but there's the one with the 3 colors there. Neat.